people. I hope I find you doing well. And most importantly, thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to share with you my IPSY GLAM Bag Plus for April. I did look the items up online and their value, because they don't give you a sheet like BoxyCharm does. So it's the same bag as everybody else. I just dumped my products out, and it says April 2021 Force of Nature. So, and then it just gives you like 5 skin friendly superfoods and information about them. May's limited edition drop glam bag times Khloe Kardashian. World, from her go-to products to her best kept beauty secrets. Upgrade to Glam Bag Plus, ship quarterly to get the pampering you deserve. No thanks. 5 products and then one that I picked. I believe you can pick 2, maybe 3. I'm not exactly sure, but I know that that's an option. There wasn't many things that I wanted to pick though, so I picked one, and it was this, which is this Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. It's 0.7 ounces, so just shy of an ounce. Online, 1 ounce of this is $85, so I marked it as a $50 value. This Trestique Contour Color and Contour Cheek Stick. So I've gotten these before for eyebrows, but I've never gotten one this large. It says a brush inside. So here's the contour, obviously. Looks a little orange. I suppose it could work though. Brush inside. Oh, it's got a nice brush on its end. Just a little sloppy sample. Not bad, as long as it matches. I'll find out. Looks a little warm though. This retail value, if you were to buy it, $28. So that brings us to $78. Next is this serum kind. It's purple cabbage drop. I didn't know what this was, so I had to look at it once. Looks like this. So it says, with the longest history among vegetables consumed by humans, the cabbage is considered as beloved superfood until now. The cabbage from Jeju Island is known for its power to hydrate and moisturize. Discover the soothing moisture that will help the skin to feel healthier and nourished. A purple drop of calm energy. Calming and nourishing. Hydrating. Online, this retails for $49. Which brings us to a total of $127 value. I found it weird. I'm not mad about it, don't worry. I like it actually, but I got 2 things of brushes. But I'm okay with it. They're good brushes from what I've read and seen. Well, one kind I have, we'll see. This one is the number 7 Bogachius or something. I don't know how to say it. I left them in the package so you could see. I didn't open them yet. This 5-piece brush set is $30. Made with natural and synthetic hair. I'm not real familiar with the name, so They have the name, and oh, they are labeled. Double-ended brow number 7. Tapered blending number 7. Crease number 7. Concealer number 7. So it's the number 7 set. And illuminator number 7. Illuminator. Concealer. Crease. Tapered blending. And obviously double-ended. Very good. Okay, so that brings us $127 plus another $30, $157 value. The next is, oh, the other brushes I got. Shania B. I have some of these brushes already, like this one right here. This was not from my Ipsy, I just grabbed it off from my vanity. I think I have like 2. But now, this came in my IPSY GLAM Bag Plus for April. And these are, I don't know if they're an Ipsy exclusive or what, but it came up under Ipsy and maybe Etsy or something. New and everything, but it's not like they have their own site, I don't think. I could be totally wrong. I just wanted to find a price, and it was a legit thing on Etsy, and it said $60 for these 5 brushes. So they are Shania B. Miami. So here is concealer. Here is smudge. Here is shadow. Here is blending. Here is eye crease. These are very pretty, aesthetically pleasing, I think. Rose gold black, rose gold writing. And so that was on Ipsy, $60 for that set, with 28,994 reviews at 4.5 stars. So I ain't complaining. That brings our total to 187. The last little item is this Peerless, I think is how you say it, mask. It has anti-inflammatory benefits, and it's hydrating, anti-aging, soothing. Inspired by my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom with modern philosophy. From Jennifer Yang, the creator. I didn't look into that far, so I'm not positive. This retails for a single mask is $6. So our grand total for our April IPSY GLAM Bag Plus is $193. So that is everything I got in my April IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. I hope you enjoyed our little endeavor here. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and tell your friends to come check this awesome chick out. Okay, peace.